I'm HVAC repair guy and I spent over 17 years as a technician, installer, and contractor. And before that, I served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're comparing two high-efficiency variable speed central air systems, the Carrier 26VNA1 and the Della ducted Central AC 19 SEER2. Carrier builds the 26VNA1 with a heavy-gauge louvered coil guard that fully protects the outdoor condenser coils from debris, hail, and lawnmowers. Della uses a simpler, non-louvered cabinet design that leaves coil fins more exposed to physical impact. Both units come with factory compressor sound blankets to help dampen operational vibration. Carrier leads slightly in energy efficiency at 21.0 SEER2, while Della is rated at 19.0 SEER2. Sound levels are quiet for both units, with Carrier rated at 55 decibels and Della at 54 decibels. Both systems feature full variable speed inverter compressors paired with variable speed condenser fan motors. Instead of two-stage operation, these units can ramp up or down across a wide range of speeds to match cooling demand. Carrier 26VNA1 is manufactured in the United States by Carrier Corporation. The Della ducted Central AC 19 SEER2 is manufactured in China and distributed direct to consumers. Installed pricing for Carrier typically ranges from $14,000 to $18,000 through a licensed dealer for a complete system. Della operates direct to consumer with equipment around $3,700 to $4,500 and total installed costs usually $6,000 to $8,500. Warranty coverage is a major split. Carrier provides 10-year parts, 10-year compressor, and 10-year unit replacement warranties. Della provides a 1-year parts warranty, a 1-year compressor warranty, and no unit replacement protection. My recommendation is the Carrier 26VNA1 because the higher upfront investment yields superior cabinet protection, higher efficiency, and a robust 10-year warranty supported by a North American dealer network.